Look outside of the box.
Mikey, that is Jamaica.
Yeah.
What is Mikey buying? Whoa, okay. What that? Mackerel?
Yeah, so chicken that.
So you have to, where your farmers right chick there?
Boss now the field farmers that chicken. The man a real farmer. Real farmer.
And you bring the tree park then?
Yeah, man, let me know back.
Sit down, Michael, the real sale.
Wow.
How you feeling, Father Mike?
Give thanks and praise. We feel good in my body. We drink some rum Sunday. Please,
Mikey, how come you can't cook breakfast for me? How come you can't call me and say, Run, now cook some porridge?
Of course, anytime ready.
How many?
Me call you down the yard and boil it a minute. I'm going to make sure I'm pressure it first.
What time you wake up?
Me wake up 5 o'clock in the or 4:30.
Okay.
We have to move one time.
Yeah, man, I want you cook some porridge, you see me?
What do you mean?
I want you to say no, Mikey.
I'll break up my living room, so me, in time I'm ready, me just call you.
Okay, yeah, share, you know. You just say, man, take a fork and just share.
Then you run guys like
that. Just hold this one and just make your one stand at the same. I like running, let me do this now. Running eat this, so now just put this between there right there. I'll leave that for you.
breakfast morning to the world.
Yes.
Gaza, you good?
Yeah, take out your fork out your bag, man. I'm okay now.
I have to give God thanks and praise. I'm going to pray before we eat it out there.
Yeah, we have to bless the food and bless the land.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And look with the land, you know. And with the people
Right,
that live in the night.
this. Although you say you don't play all ants.
All right, thank you, Mikey.
You alright?
Yeah, man.
You're good?
Yeah, man.
You want to know this?
Give me half of the fried dumpling. Broke it with your hand, it no matter. Me's a
Ants, man.
Me's a farmer. Even when they drop on the ground, me up in the dirt.
Alright.
We from the earth.
You want to eat out that?
Let's see this piece out. All right.
No, man.
No.
No, man. Me never eat this. Me does not eat it.
Brothers.
Yeah,
All right, my brother. Thank you so much.
Mike, you doing the praying?
Open up the prayer.
You can ask God to give him thanks and praises.
Go ahead, Mikey. So
Yes,
the
Father
prayer.
God. Thank you, Lord, as we eat this food. Bless it and cover it under your name. As we eat it, bless your stomach. In Jesus' name I pray.
Thank you, Mike.
Well, you know, them say Jamaica, COVID is going up.
Yeah. So me hear that me up news this morning.
And the people are not orderly.
Stand up.
Yeah, them now really do the orderly thing in Jamaica. Them now listen.
Everyone know this, so me the country I go further and things are going. Everyone know here. And you have to listen, you know. You have to listen, you know, so boy. The government say they're supposed to do certain things you just be. And if they never know certain things, they won't say certain things here. I love why they might do that, say that to me.
They think the government.
I tell you how I go. Why another man can go to another man? Why a Jamaican can go to another country, go obey the law of that country?
Okay.
And can't obey the law in a freedom country.
Okay.
That don't make sense.
Okay.
Because you say you go America, say you go England, say you go all and then say everybody must in the house by 6 o'clock. You're in your house by 6. No party, no bar. So why in Jamaica there's a try reach home before 8? You hide a keep party and say ray.
Yeah.
Government a check way. You don't think that's COVID. Government not check way. Are we a check with them?
Of course. And if
But when you get out of control, the government will say who will live
live,
and who not will live.
just go on.
Okay.
Simple.
No compliance.
Yeah. Cause number for that listening, you know, the thing wanna reach or it reach right now, you know.
For real, man.
Everybody are up and running.
Tell me the pan, you know.
No, dumpling, brother.
Oh, thank you, brother. See a dumpling just fall from the sky,
Yeah,
brother.
fall, you know.
By the blessings from the sky.
Sometimes your blessing come in and know where you come from, you know.
True. sure.
You don't know, wake up, I wake up in the morning. And me never know, so I get, me go look at this.
You never look forward to me
No,
coming?
me never. But why not make me a come and say, me look for you, yourself?
I mean, just appear.
Yeah,
Boom!
nowhere.
The powers of work,
Yeah, man. I tell you, as I live in God, me not look for you, yourself. And why I go go up and say, I buy 2 fritters.
How much for the fish, I say?
Yeah, every time must be about $35. About $35.
If you have your fritters and gravy,
Is a man who sell them?
restaurant.
The whole year you look after it now. She look at that thing, good. Clean. Nice, clean. So them long time people there where you know you can tell yourself when you eat their food, you're comfortable. There's some big people food and you feel comfortable and feel nice to yourself. Young type of people there. But I don't know if I other men.
What do you think of happening in the future? What Jamaica future look like? Look 10 years ahead, what it look like?
I'm going to tell nobody to make this like that happen. This is not going to look because of this.
COVID.
COVID. Nobody them can't go to school again. You have to stay home. You have to stay home on the pan, no food on the pan food, and you just on top of the have a mall. First time when you have a mass, you know, and police catching a mass at jail again, you know. And now you see? You see? So we don't know in the future what will happen down the line. Down the line. You see, we know, that 50 years old, we outdated, you know. Like Gaza them, you know. Like Gaza them, I will be the man I road, you know. I Gaza them younger name will come up, you know. Everywhere still around, you know, same way, you know. Yeah.
How many I say?
Me I'm 54 and them something. I'm going on 60-year-old man them. You know, just them people them are outdated. They come like the car them, you know. The car them, you see the cartoon and them and the escort and them is something outdated, but them type of car you call it.
Vintage.
Yes, where you know, so you set up the type of car. You know, you know what I'm saying?
I feel so.
So I look on it, I say, John was there. I say, John
We have
was
to do
there.
some radical things in this country to get things right. You know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Brother, I know one easy thought. I know one easy thought. When you take your levers, I when we look at some man.
Remember not talk bad about nobody you know.
Sometimes I serve people, you know. Sometimes I serve people, you. I serve myself, but I serve people more time, man. You live in God. Serve people more time.
The mint and the dumpling taste. Whoa, whoa.
I want to
Yeah, man.
What do you mean that dumpling taste?
Whoa, whoa.
You can put Carmen in like. Carmen, I feel like
It's a dumpling that taste. Woo. Well, we only wish for the best for this country.
Yeah.
That's the people who have to start listening.
If we not
Do the
listen,
right thing.
if we not listen,
Yeah, we
do the
know
right
say,
thing.
Randy,
Well,
we know say thing look baby, I look at time with the curfew, but for one safety, you know.
also,
You
we
understand,
don't work.
Randy?
We don't work. We be this thing. Eat your belly full. Pray to God and go on your bed. We talk about those big sports in them up there. Monetary transport. Man out there working and strong and tired. You can't go to go sport. You have time to go stand up. You have time to go stand up and breathe and you don't know what your work already. That's not nice. That's not nice, brother. We try to know what's right. Come God, see Jim sir.
Yeah, man, go and raise him, man.
Yeah, man. Tell them, man, so it's the same set for
But you know, say, the rich people in Jamaica are really rich. Me say them have some neighborhood where just totally exclusive in a man level. You can't even go in there.
No, certainly here right now. Certainly here right now. If you don't know Carly night, you know. If you don't know Carly, you know.
So there's two Jamaica suffering.
One Jamaica.
Two Jamaica, man. Rich and poor.
Everywhere you have rich and poor, you know.
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere you have rich community and poor communities.
Yeah.
Jamaica, yeah, hear me? The rich community still have to come to the party. No matter how you're rich, you still have to come link with the party.
Of
Who
course.
make them rich?
Not
The
the
poor people. Who do the work for them? Poor people.
But isn't there a crime Jamaica and no crime Jamaica?
Alright.
Because some people well protected, you know, brother. That's what I
Alright,
said.
crime
It's
Jamaica. What you know?
You don't look on it that way, there's that two Jamaica.
Two Jamaica,
You don't
brother.
look on it that way.
Because some people can't get touched.
Yeah, yeah.
No man is untouchable.
But what may I say is that
I
when you
understand
look,
what you're saying.
when you
but-
look on the murder rate,
Yeah.
Wait.
them not get touched.
Yeah, yeah.
What you know around the murder rate now? Yeah, but that's laugh it up. One time I wonder what I fight for. I want trophy.
But when a man dead, you know, can't nothing with you. No matter what you want to have. And look how we can live. Live when we know, say, boy, me and you there, so no,
Like,
what
I the mind, you know. It's a
Oh,
TV,
God,
the
I'm-
way the TV program them,
Yeah.
the music program them.
Yeah.
Everything starts from the mind, you know.
True, man. True,
Because if
man.
me and you know, Mikey, me not go war with you if it's not $1 million, you know. Me no war for nothing less than $1 million, you know.
Yeah, $1
If
million.
you take my money, Mikey, and it's $1 million, man,
You want.
200,000 US, even 50,000 US, may I come. Even 10,000 US, may I come.
You want
coming for you.
I'm coming for you, Mikey.
Eh?
Not even 5,000 US of my money. If me have it,
You don't have it.
me not have it.
You don't have it.
Alright? But you me say, it has to be something substantial. Me can't argue with you because you don't like my shirt.
Yeah. True.
You style me.
Yeah.
Why you never give me a dumpling?
You have to eat. Yeah.
One war for one dumpling now.
One dump. Of course, because you can see a man in dumplings, touch it on him, a war. You can't stop up, one dumpling.
Food powerful, you know.
Man.
As you say, when you give a man something to eat, you give him the world.
You get, yeah, and you give him, but you calm him down.
Give him the world, because he ain't hungry.
Look when you're hungry, a man call you and give you something. When you're hungry, no. Because a man hungry till your eye water chop out the eye,
The man in Jamaica will be hungry though, because every man can plant potato slip. Every man can plant carlo. Me not believe in a
But
hungry.
look here,
Mikey, me don't believe in a hungry. Me don't believe in a hungry in
but some man
Jamaica.
don't believe in that. So you can't go to the
Mine
plant.
again.
Huh?
Mine.
And you can plant to Gongo Road. Can Gongo a beer, you know? Gongo a beer, you know, please, I go, yeah. How would that?
Who that I say who that one? I say who that?
See, hella da kena bad. Hella da
No, I'm
kena
not. Yeah, the plan. No, man. All right, sir.
Michael, do people have hand and foot?
Of
Can
course.
they bend?
Of course.
Did we say before if a man can take a weed to his mouth, that mean him just bend his hand?
And put the weed in my mouth. And I prepare you, see that? I weed up.
And if
You have a needy.
A straight and man say, no, can I put weed in my mouth? You know, the whole you.
Maybe him, no, he can't do it.
Just tell me how you have to put it there.
So every Jamaican hand can
Have a
bend.
bend. Have a bend.
So we have something in common.
Yeah, it's coming.
And can bend.
And can bend, yeah.
So we dance, we can wine. You can wine.
We dance,
Can you wine?
of course.
Me can wine. Gaza, you can wine.
Can't try a thing.
Me can't wine,
You can wine.
Me can't wine. Me can't wine.
Good. See, you move your waistline. So that means that you can bend
You
then.
can bend. Yeah.
So your hand can bend and your waist can bend.
Yeah.
Can you hold something in your hand? What
I know
percentage
how
of
to fall.
Jamaican cripple then can do this? Can hold a fist. Enough Jamaican can do this, right?
Of course.
So you say 99% of this country can bend them hand, pass them fist, and make them win. So if 99% of them don't have a machete, can you get a knife or a stick? Them can get stick, right?
Of course.
Stick the boat.
Of course, can stick. Can do things same here. Can.
Do we have enough pumpkin seed for every Jamaican in this country? Yes or no?
Of course.
We do?
Of course. I'm going to talk to you. You must seed one pumpkin can.
Okay then.
You
So
must
the pumpkin seed
Enough
them.
callaloo seed too.
Look right now. So right now, you smell color right now. They make it, you know. They make color, grab a clean place, you can eat.
So then this food thing is not a government problem.
No, sir, I mean, I think so.
The people problem.
I people, the
Hunger
problem.
is not a government problem. It's the people problem.
We in Jamaica, we can do all type of things and live. And live, we have to depend on food.
So the mind of the people,
Mind away.
bad mind.
Bad mind, we mind bad.
Lazy mind.
Lazy mind.
Lazy.
Mind, do it, you know.
Every man is, you have Carol, you have Carol.
No, me not no car.
Mikey,
Me not no
you
car.
say next week come, we need to give you some, I sow some Carlo, you know. I'm gonna bring some seed, some Carlo suckers the next breakfast. And when you go home, we'll plant them.
Yeah.
If I'm your Prime Minister, Mikey,
this
this is what I'm saying, me serious, man. If I'm your Prime Minister, you know, I'm gonna come to your yard, I'm gonna say Carlo, I can find you, you know, I might lock you up in the mind. You see when me lock you up?
You know, if it's true, me get to a little place where I know, say, boy, me plant me nice to bed a callaloo.
Lock you up?
Nice to bed a callaloo, me can go and cut me callaloo, them and them something there, and can eat me callaloo.
Then you know can give some to an old lady too.
Of course.
Mikey, do you give Carlo to an old lady every month? No, Mikey.
No, man.
You need to
No,
change
sir.
your life.
No, sir, me no plant. Me no plant to give it to them. If they plant it and give it to them, can you have it to give it to them?
You know, have Carlo, Mikey.
Me not plant.
You know, so we are going to change that about your life. People are going to say, you know, Randy, right?
Yeah.
Every man must have a Carlo bed, right?
Of course.
A Carlo spread, right?
A callaloo nice too.
And it have iron and the thing and the vitamins them and thing, right?
When you see two up and stone, make me live more so.
Every man have a banana
Mikey,
tree.
Mikey, you know, say bamboo can put dirt in it and make a pot. You know, say people in Cuba plant up the thing. You know, people in Brooklyn. When you give me excuse but you live on stone, you can make a pot, right? You have a car tire. You know some kind of car tire? You have a car. You know a car tire?
Yeah, man, can get
You see what I try to show you, Mikey?
We can get
Me know
car.
why you give me no excuse.
So no excuse in that. No excuse in that, sir.
So more you tell the ghetto youth them say, yo, no excuse. If
Yeah.
your hand can bend, waist can bend, fist can hold, then you can take a tick and plant Carlo.
Yeah.
And give to the old people them. If you don't do it for yourself, just give to the old
Old
people
people
them, and God will bless you.
I don't know, sir. I just talk.
And you don't get no. Did you visit the old people house for this month?
No, sir.
Then
I'm a zero.
and how you get the blessing?
All the man, some people go over there and give me zero something to eat. And I say, Monsieur, something here, mama, I get a nice bowl of porridge and them something and carry me zero and them something. And I say that them, you know, say, oh, and something. You can't look at porridge and them because it's something you give them. You say, nice dish you cook and give them and sit down and make them eat it. Then family want to come see and do that. Then, you know, matter just want to say, in a year, so clean to where you look at them.
How you give the blessing? You think you get out? What do you think will happen to you if you don't take care of the old?
Yeah, because the same thing I reach up. The same life I live, I eat and I reach up.
So you've been ignoring the elders in your neighborhood, Mikey.
Yeah.
May I put it on the spot? Next breakfast, me want you to say, Ron, I did what you said. Because if we don't take care of the elder, then
True, man, I'm not looking into it right now. Right into where you're looking into where you're right now. So if you say me look into it now.
yes, the brotherhood nature of what we need to do. Because Carlo can save our elder life.
Yeah.
Carlo alone in a brother.
Because look, if we meet, I really could have a car on the boat. Then I need some water.
That is the accomplishment for today. The vision in a country where if I'm Prime Minister,
Yeah.
I'm going to come in your yard, I'm
Yeah.
going to see a breadfruit tree. I need to know what your main tree is.
Yeah.
You see, if you don't have a name tag on each of your picnic for 5 tree or 5 picnic, you have 5 tree, then
Yeah.
you're going to have a problem.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to increase the taxes.
Yeah.
Every man is responsible for a tree in this new country, and I better call you to give to the neighbor, elder. You're responsible for your brothers and sisters. You have to make a new Prime Minister of this country. Because Mikey, you're going to be lined up. Right, Gaza?
Yeah.
Me not put too much all the pressure on you still.
Yeah.
But me I show you
Yeah.
the kind of Prime Minister I would be.
Yeah. Tell you how tough you be, or what kind of man you be. And then you're a man with man of your word. Yeah.
If me a Prime Minister, me I come to your yard and help you plant the Carlo tree. Make sure say 1,000 yards me I visit every month.
That means, yeah.
With my machete, and I give out every machete, and I give out machete to people. And pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
In a parliament, we only eat from the poor. And make sure we take the pumpkin them from the poor.
I
don't think the people are ready, you know.
serious. If we're serious now, I make sure say we see where I take place and now. I will take place and now with all them as with my face and mask and everything. And them as something we serious over there. And see what I want to look right now. If you go to some place right now and see some hungry people right now, you're all like,
But why them hungry?
I don't know.
See that the house of facts a question.
Yeah.
Youth in a ghetto can get character and plant Carlo. the Almighty does not leave.
Because Gambia can't tell you.
The Almighty don't leave us.
I don't bear no.
Actually, look,
Then
you
uplift
see
and
can't
plant a car tire.
Yep.
You see
But
can't
you
tell
Yam
you.
can plant a car tire.
Hmm?
Yam can plant a car tire.
Are there any old car tires out there in Jamaica just sitting down?
Yeah, man, holy.
Okay.
And you cut it. You have to cut it now.
So if me a Prime Minister, we're going to have a car tire Jamaica call planting competition.
You know, as you talk, as me, anyway, me see can't tell you, I take them and full them of dirt. And full them of dirt, the red dirt, them and something there, and get my manure, them and
And the foul shit in the car tire. Nothing must go to waste.
Yo, I put me pan one piece of chuck. You know,
Me changing your mind, Mikey.
Yeah, man, a piece of one chuck, you put me pan right now, you know.
You see how your mind a glow now?
Let me die here.
feel it?
Let me die here, and I say, yeah, man. Me need to plant even one five, one, yeah.
You know the car tire.
See me to
A cucumber too. We must not think limited. It's an infinite universe.
You see, like, you talk and I say, no, I make up a nice place I have. I know, so boy, I make a vegetable garden. The vegetable
You
garden.
can't even paint them color. That's what the Rasta man them do. The Rasta man them a teach you.
I don't have to pay no color neither. I tell you, I deal with
But me I say you can pretty up, you know, the garden. You know, you can put some paint.
if you want, you touch up, look white, and look green, and look red.
Hey, Mikey, me no expect you on one for this. You're picking them too.
Yeah, man, say,
And teach them for
because them are going to help me and say, boy, you know, daddy, I do this and daddy, I do that. So I'm going to work with him, you know. Because I say, daddy, look, garden look good, right? And if we don't do it, too, you know, when daddy are run down, you know, this are run down, too, you know.
Mikey, if I have 5 people, get 5 car tire.
Yeah.
Sit down, man.
We get 4 people. We get 4 people.
4.
Yeah.
Get 4 car tire. I make each of them plant call in each of them and number them. I put the name on it and say, which one of them call you are grow bigger? You know, them are compete and say, Daddy, I found shit before my mind. You know, you see me? Make them compete.
Yeah.
And you see any of them win?
4 people.
Give them the money to the winner.
Yeah.
But one might chop down one. They might be bad mind in their family. Listen me, but it might sound like a joke.
Yeah. It might sound like a joke, but I'm not joking.
Make them compete.
I'm not joking for you, I'm not joking, man.
It is the mind of the people that defines the country, not the country.
Yeah.
It starts from the brain.
Yeah, the brain.
I said the teacher them in a reggae music. And the teacher them not the youth them head.
Yeah.
So we need new teachers and we need new lyrics from them and they will say them are the teacher.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
That's still on Gaza.
Gaza, you know what I drinks?
This was an exciting event.
Yeah.
Jamaican mine I go rattle.
You know, I'm gonna load my.
Is it time to load?
Why are you Joseph?
Just
You want to show them how you
check
check
it, man. Phone, man. Have a nice day.
Oh, all right. Well, this is I'm back with drink of that.
Don't worry yourself.
Me give you crowd.
Remember the assignment tonight.
Give the last view, cause you know we are go on
Alright,
the road.
get up, Mikey.
Give the lap, we go on the lap on the road.
Okay.
Oh my classic Patakan. Yes, Randy.
Yes, I
Was it a new direction this morning?
Yes, I'm love how you teach Jamaica how to do things. I get Jamaica task, hope Jamaica completely. But that's not one thing I give you a word of mouth right here. So word of mouth is a more powerful thing, you know. I come and say, promise me I'll give you this. But promise is a comfort to a fool, you know. But one lady tell me say it's not how the promise go. But if somebody promise some every day I ask you want to change your mind. But so Mikey, I'll check your place one day, you know, and see if you do it, you know.
Because you know, say me a man to my words, man. You know that me's a man to my words.
And you have to change your brother.
Me.
And you know?
We never say you're not a man to your words, you know.
Yeah.
Randy, pass a cup to get some of my orange juice.
Thank you, sir. Go on tonight, but two at night.
And see that?
Drink them, man. I'm on protein.
Yeah, we are bro, you know.
To Jamaica good life, to all the people that are willing to change the mind, to change the future. You can't change the future if you don't change the mind. Change and balance. Agenda unity.
It can be done.
It can be done.
Just do it like
Like
that.
you said, agenda unity.
Gender unity.
It can be done.
It can
Say
be
it
done.
again, loud.
Gender unity. It
What?
can be done.
Say it again. Sit down here, sir.
Agenda unity. It can be done.
Just do it like
You
that.
have to do it.
I'm not going to do it like that.
Alright.
Yeah, make
You know,
it done
too
like
old
that.
for do it. Get to work, guys. Later.
And respect and thanks. Rodney, big up yourself.
Love.
God, yes, sir.
God.
Yeah. That's